How to register Sabadell mobile app. To register a Banco Sabadell mobile app, what I would recommend you do is you open your browser and type in activate Banco Sabadell app, and you'll find the first link from Banco Sabadell to activate your online banking in just 3 steps. Tap on that particular link. Now, in order to fill out those 3 steps, what you will need is you will need to place the front of your ID inside the box that we show you on the screen until the photo is automatically taken. Then second is to repeat the action, but now placing the back of your ID inside the box. And lastly, you must take a selfie in which your face is clearly visible. Once you've done that, read and accept the terms and conditions, tap on the accept and begin button, then your online banking will be activated, and now you can log in on the Banco Sabadell application using those provided credentials. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. To subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.